When developing a park for the provision of agricultural products and food services, several key points should be considered, especially with a focus on local demand. Assessment of domestic demand, market research, conduct surveys and analyze local market trends to understand what products are in demand. Identify gaps in the market that your backyard can fill. Community needs, engage with the local community to determine their preferences and needs. Seasonal demand, understanding the seasonal variations in demand for various products. Garden planning, crop selection, select crops that are well suited to local climate, soil and market demand, short-term and perennial crops to ensure continuous production. Sustainability, crop rotation, composting and organic pest control to maintain soil health and reduce environmental impact. Water management, ensure efficient use of water by drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting and selection of drought-tolerant crops where necessary. Infrastructure and resources. Soil health, test and amend the soil to ensure it is nutrient-rich and well-draining. Space optimization, plan your garden layout to maximize space use. Consider vertical gardening, intercropping and companion planting to increase yields. Tools and equipment, invest in tools and equipment for planting, maintenance and harvesting. Make sure they are appropriate for the scale of your garden. Food services, processing facilities. If planning to supply value-added products like jams, pickles, distribution channels, develop a plan to distribute your product, selling directly to consumers at farmers markets. Storage, ensure adequate storage facilities to keep products fresh and minimize waste. This may include refrigeration for perishable items and dry storage for others. Marketing and outreach. Branding, develop a strong brand identity that highlights the local, fresh and sustainable nature of your products. Community engagement, host events, workshops and farm-to-table dinners to engage the community and build a loyal customer base. Online presence, use a website to market your products and services. Financial planning, budgeting, seeds, tools, infrastructure, labor and marketing. Funding, explore funding options such as grants, loans, or community-supported agriculture CSA models to finance your garden. Profitability, keep a close eye on your expenses and income to ensure your garden is financially sustainable. By carefully considering these factors, you can develop a garden that meets local demand and provides a steady supply of agricultural products and food services